Good day, good friends. Make yourself comfortable as we ready ourselves to unpack the enthralling subject of how generative artificial intelligence is reshaping the nature of work. Today, we'll explore a fascinating study titled Generative AI and the Nature of Work, conducted by researchers from Harvard Business School, Microsoft Corporation, and GitHub Inc. In this study, the researchers investigate how the introduction of generative AI impacts the way individuals, particularly software developers, allocate their time and tasks. Generative AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that can generate new content, such as text or code, by learning patterns from vast amounts of existing data. One prominent example is GitHub Copilot, a tool designed to assist software developers by providing code suggestions and auto-completions as they write code. The researchers focused on GitHub Copilot to understand how access to this AI tool affects developers' work patterns. Specifically, they wanted to see if Copilot changes how developers divide their time between core activities, like writing code, and non-core activities such as project management tasks, can include coordinating with team members, reviewing contributions from others, and handling administrative responsibilities within a software project. To investigate this, they analyzed a substantial dataset comprising millions of coding activities over a 2-year period, involving nearly 190,000 software developers. A natural experiment arose when GitHub provided free access to Copilot to certain developers based on an internal ranking threshold. This created a quasi-experimental setting where some developers had access to the AI tool while others did not, allowing the researchers to observe the effects of using Copilot on developers' work habits. The key finding from the study was that developers who had access to GitHub Copilot shifted more of their time toward their primary task of coding and spent less time on non-core activities like project management. This shift in task allocation was attributed to 2 main mechanisms. First, the use of Copilot increased autonomous work among developers. With the assistance of the AI tool, developers could work more independently, relying less on collaboration with others to solve coding problems or seek assistance. The AI provided suggestions and solutions that might have otherwise required input from colleagues. This reduction in the need for human collaboration can help alleviate collaborative frictions and transaction costs that often occurred during the development process. Second, developers engaged more in exploration activities rather than exploitation. In this context, exploration refers to experimenting with new approaches, techniques, or solutions, while exploitation involves applying familiar and established methods. The AI tool encouraged developers to explore new code patterns and try innovative solutions, potentially enhancing creativity and innovation in their work. An important aspect of the study's findings was that developers with relatively lower ability levels benefited more from using Copilot compared to their higher ability peers. These developers shifted even more of their time toward coding and reduced their time on project management tasks to a greater extent. This suggests that generative AI tools like Copilot can help less experienced developers become more productive and focus on core development tasks. The implications of these findings are noteworthy. The study suggests that generative AI has the potential to transform work processes by enabling individuals to concentrate on their primary responsibilities, enhancing productivity and efficiency. In the context of the knowledge economy, where work often revolves around information processing and creation, such shifts could lead to more streamlined workflows and organizational changes. For instance, if individuals can work more autonomously with the help of AI, traditional organizational hierarchies might become less pronounced, leading to flatter organizational structures. Moreover, the study has important implications for open-source software development. Open-source software, often abbreviated as OSS, is software for which the source code is made freely available and can be modified and distributed by anyone. OSS projects often rely on the contributions of a relatively small number of key developers, who can become overburdened with both coding and project management tasks. The study notes this linchpin problem, where a few individuals carry a significant workload, leading to burnout and possibly hindering the sustainability of OSS projects. The use of AI tools like Copilot can help alleviate this burden by assisting with coding tasks and reducing the need for time-consuming management activities. By making it easier for developers to focus on their core work, AI can support the sustainability and success of OSS projects, which are critical components of the modern digital economy. Indeed, OSS is widely used, with estimates suggesting that 96% of corporate code bases contain some open source code, underscoring its importance. Additionally, the findings of the study are likely to generalize beyond the setting of open source software to the broader knowledge economy. As AI tools become more prevalent, workers in various industries may experience similar shifts in task allocation and work processes. Understanding these impacts is crucial for firms and policymakers, as it can inform labor strategies, including hiring policies, work training programs, and efforts to upskill or reskill employees. In conclusion, the research conducted by scholars from Harvard Business School, Microsoft, and GitHub provides valuable insights into how generative AI is influencing the nature of work for software developers. The study demonstrates that AI tools can shift the allocation of tasks, enabling developers to focus more on coding and less on ancillary tasks, while also promoting autonomy and exploration in their work. These findings have broader implications for the future of work in the knowledge economy, suggesting that AI has the potential to enhance productivity and transform organizational structures. As AI technologies continue to advance and become more integrated into various aspects of work, understanding these shifts becomes essential for workers, managers, and policymakers. It allows us to prepare for a future where AI is a fundamental component of the workplace, ensuring that we can leverage its benefits effectively while addressing any challenges it may present. Thank you for joining me on this insightful journey into the evolving landscape of work in the age of artificial intelligence. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating changes shaping our world.